Hello everybody, today I am making Dole Whip. I am making the recipe because I really wanted to recreate that dessert that really impacted me when I went to Disneyland. It was the Dole Whip. After a long walk, it was so refreshing and just so tasty that I just had to recreate it. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did like this recipe, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you. So our dough is ready and we are going to go ahead and serve. You can serve it straight to a cup, or you can also serve by adding some juice, pineapple juice first, and then adding the dessert on top like Disneyland does. You can add tajin or without tajin. It is a delicious dessert and I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. I have more videos upcoming soon. Thank you for watching.